let's learn the techniques in curving. How do you curve? Do you find it difficult to curve? When you are curving, do you scratch? Do you scratch a wall or another vehicle? Let's watch this training video so that we can learn the techniques in curving. Let's go.
No need to worry about hitting the wall when making right-angle turns. When the vehicle is more than 1 meter away from the wall, we only need to observe the side mirror. When the side mirror passes the corner of the wall, you can turn with confidence. When the distance between the vehicle and the wall is 50 centimeters, as long as half of the car window extends beyond the corner, you can turn with confidence. When the distance between the vehicle and the wall is within 30 centimeters, as long as the vehicle's B-pillar exceeds the corner of the wall, it will not be scratched when turning. Follow me.
So you see, this is how we can actually learn how to curve. See, many of us when we are curving, we don't measure. We don't actually measure. We just curve anyhow. Some of us also use our eyes to measure the distance between the car and then the wall or maybe another vehicle. You see, and so if you don't curve well, for instance, you are entering into your house, and in your house there's a gate, or there's a wall or a wall gate, and you have to curve and enter into the house. If you don't gauge very well, you may end up scratching your door. Many people have scratched their vehicles. See, and paint or painting your car is also expensive. You see, and also the body parts or doing with the body works, it's also expensive. If you are curving and you don't curve well, you end up scratching your car. You see, and it can even get a dent. Yes, because if you are curving and you don't curve well, you end up getting a dent on your car. You see, and or getting a scratch on your car. And so this training has actually taught us how we can actually curve very well, how we can curve very well when we are driving. You see, when you are curving, when you get to a corner or a curve in between objects, how you can curve. You see, as we saw in the training, how when you get to where there is a wall or there's a building and you want to pass behind the building, how do you curve? All these things we have to learn how to do it, how to gauge it with all these measurements. You see, using our anticipation, using our eyes, we can easily measure it by training or by learning. And so let's learn it and practice it so that we will not be scratching our cars. We will not also scratch somebody's car. We will not also, maybe get a dent on our car.